it's Grizz. I'm out on the bike and I'm on my way to get my vaccination, the old COVID flipping vaccination. Yeah, not really sure how I feel about this, but I think it's something I need to do. I think it's something that is going to happen anyway eventually, so I'm in the kind of mindset at the moment of just getting on with it and going with the flow, I guess, really, if I'm honest. Yes, I mean, I don't know really, to be honest with you, if I'm like getting my kind of vaccination a bit earlier than most. I'm 51 and I do have some health issues, have done for some time. A lot of kind of different stuff going on, so I don't know. I went to the doctors the other day and I had to have some checkups done, as I've been having for the last couple of years now. Diagnosed with celiac disease. I've had lots of other type of illnesses over the years, autoimmune related. So anyway, I went to the doctors, I got home from the doctors, and then I had a text from the vaccination lot saying come on and get your vaccine. So yeah, I don't know if I'm just falling into that age category now of people that they're calling in for their vaccinations, or if I'm getting some kind of earlier than some vaccination because I've got these underlying health issues. But whichever, whatever, it is what it is. I'm grateful to be called in, really, in some ways, because I guess these underlying health issues have worried me. My outlook on the whole COVID thing is very mixed. I've got some good personal friends which have actually caught it, and they've had mixed reactions to actually catching it. Some have been very mild to virtually kind of no real reaction to being sick with COVID, to others being in life-threatening conditions. So really, hand on heart, you have to take it. For me, I have to take it seriously. This isn't a video trying to encourage anyone to do anything. This is just basically me and my experience and my kind of getting on with it, I guess. I want us all to be able to get on with it. I want us all to be able to have some normality back. And I guess this feels for me just like another step of making that happen. Possibly making my kind of future a bit safer with this vaccine. Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? I don't know. Both my parents have had it, and they've both got kind of underlying health issues, as they would do because they're getting on a little bit. But they've both had their injections, their vaccinations, and they had no reaction to it whatsoever. So I'm hoping that will be the case for me as well. I see no reason why not. I won't be okay, so I'm just going with it, man. I'm just doing it and getting on with it, not thinking about it too much, to be honest, because I want things, as I said, to get back to normal. I want to be able to see my mum and dad. I want to be able to I just want things back the way they used to be. I don't know if that is completely unattainable and me being unrealistic in my outlook of wanting things to be back to normal. I find it hard to believe things will get back to normal considering how messed up they are nowadays. But yeah, I guess all we can do is do what's right for us, and I feel that this is the right thing for me. I want to be able to leave the country as well. I want to be able to go away on holiday more, so I want to be able to go and visit family abroad, and as it stands, I cannot afford in any way, shape or form to go into these kind of quarantine situations, paying a couple of grand to sit in a hotel for a couple of weeks to make sure I test negative for the virus. So it is basically onwards and upwards, I hope. And I feel like if I don't have it now, I'm going to have it in the future to be able to travel freely. So let's get on with it. Let's get it done, and let's hope that, you know, this is the answer to the problem. That's what I kind of think and feel about it. I'm hoping it's the answer to the problem, and placing my faith in it all. And you know, I know I've got such a strange mix. As I said, I've got some friends which are really anti-vaccine, and I was quite heavily and quite happily sitting in that same camp, but you know, I just find it hard to see past this situation without actually going and having the vaccine. I just don't actually see anywhere past it. So yeah, so basically today I'm gonna go and get me vaccine and share the situation, share the experience with you, and yeah, it's going to be something a bit different. I'm going to try and take my camera in when I have my injection, but I don't know how successful I'm going to be with that. But I'll try and record as much as I can, and I'll bring you any kind of relevant information about the experience. At the moment, I'm feeling happy and up for it, and just let's get on with it and get it done and get things moving forward. Right, let's get there. I've got to go over to Burnham-on-Sea, which is like 25 minutes from home. My goodness. Oh, jeez. Some heavy big bumps there. But anyway, I need to... Wow, that's not me, is it? I need to step it up a bit. No, there's only so much you can do along here. This thing, when you open it up, is like, next thing you know, you're in double digits in absolutely no time. But anyway, that's enough of me talking. I'm going to get on over to the old vaccination centre, get me vaccine in. I'll try and film what I can. Like I said, if I can, I'm going to talk to you when I come out and on my ride home. And then I'll also kind of chuck in some info or some more of like, how did I react days later to having the vaccine. I've heard from some that they've had it, and like within a few days of having it they felt quite rough, but then eventually felt fine. So yeah, it's going to be interesting, and I'll relay all that to you. I guess I can make this video, like I'll just do it over a course of a 3 or 4 days, something like that, and then we can get a good feeling as to how I've reacted. So alright, enough talk, enough blab. Let's get on down and get me jab.
Brilliant, thank you. Very welcome. Have a good day.
Look after yourself, mate. Yeah. Well, there we go. That's that injection done. I did get some footage. I don't know how good that came out, but I'll try and include what I can. Yeah, painless, quick, easy. I feel good. I feel fine. No problemos. So hopefully I won't react to it too badly. And yeah, I'm due to go back in another 12 weeks. They're going to arrange the next appointment apparently, so I can get my second injection, my second dose. Apparently you need the 2 doses to be fully protected. So yeah, I will keep you posted, guys, as to my progression with it and how I feel on it. But at the moment I feel absolutely fine. No immediate reaction to it at all. I think it must have been quite a thin little little needle because I hardly felt anything of it going in. So yeah, now I'm going to go off to the shops with my superpowers after my injection and buy some, what have I got to buy? What was it? Some milk, some pastry for Taffy, because I cannot eat pastry because I'm not allowed it because I'm allergic to it. And what else? I don't know, some other things. So yeah, I'm off to the shops. But yeah, so I'll keep you posted, guys. I will extend this video shortly. See you in a bit. So good morning, it's Monday morning and I'm on my way into work. The weekend has been interesting. Yeah, from the standpoint of side effects from the old vaccination, I did feel actually quite rough over the weekend. There's no real good indicator because I can feel rough anyway on a weekend. So yeah, but what did I have? I had a bit of nausea. I felt like I was going to be sick. That was yesterday. Saturday I just felt like I had a slight bit of a fever throughout the day and the evening. I just took some paracetamol and yeah, nice. What happened then? I slept kind of Saturday night. A little bit of a broken night's sleep, but nothing horrendous. Took some paracetamol before I went to bed. Sunday morning I took some more paracetamol because I still had a bit of a fever, felt quite achy, a little bit weak, and yeah, nausea really, just feeling like I was going to be sick most of yesterday. I'm feeling quite tired. So yeah, that for me was my experience of having the vaccination. Got to go back, as I said, in 3 months' time to have my number 2 injection. I'll let you know how that goes as well. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed today's something different. I thought I would just put it out there for you. I know probably a lot of you have got questions about this vaccination as much as I did. But yeah, so far all is well really for me. Look at this diesel and stuff down on the corner here, is terrible. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you everyone. Cheers now. Any questions, just drop me a line, you know where, just down below. Thank you everyone. Cheers now. Bye.